Here's how to add a page border in Google Docs. If you want your document to look more professional and visually appealing, a border is a simple way to upgrade it quickly. First, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then go down to Drawing and select New. A drawing box will open. And here, click on the Shape tool at the top, hover over Shapes, and choose the Rectangle tool. Now click and drag to draw a rectangle. Don't worry about the size because we will adjust it later. Next, go to the top toolbar and set the fill color to transparent so the inside becomes empty. After that, click on Border Color and choose your preferred color, for example, black, and then go to Border Weight to adjust the thickness. I'll set it around 16 for a bold look. Once you're happy, click Save and Close, and the border will be added to your document. Now, click on the border, select the three dots menu, and open Image Options, then set it to In Front of Text. After that, choose Fix Position on Page so it stays in place. Finally, resize and position the border using the corner and edge handles until it fits the page perfectly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.